630,000 dead, more than 2 million wounded or missing, cities burned to the ground, a nation ravaged by war. This sounds almost unbelievable, but it happened here in America's most defining conflict, the American Civil War. We are the sons of Union veterans of the Civil War, the descendants of the Union soldier, sailor, Marine, and revenue cutter serviceman. Their blood courses through our veins. We are the heirs to their legacy. Established by the Grand Army of the Republic more than 125 years ago, we are the real deal. If you care to join us in honoring those who defended this nation during its bloodiest conflict and preserve the memory of the boys who wore the blue, then join us today. Visit our website at www.suvcw.org for membership information. Remember, it is not what you pay to be a member. It is the cost your ancestor paid for you to be eligible.